II Memorial.
Paul was saying this is the World War II Memorial. Washington Monument's over there. Guess this was made for all the troops. We got an Erie State. And here it is. World War II for the troops. Right here. Again, that's the Lincoln Memorial over there, but it's getting dark, so I don't think we're gonna have time to go over there. But that is the Lincoln Memorial. Abraham Lincoln, he's in there somewhere. Well, they made a big old statue of him in there. But as you can see, the sun is already setting, so we're not gonna have time to go over there. There's the White House. That's the White House where President Obama is at. Well, where all the presidents of the United States are at. Oh, what's this called again?
National Air and Space.
We're going to the National Air and Space Museum. Hold up. Here we're inside the National Air and Space Museum, Washington, D.C. Chinatown in D.C. Washington, D.C.'s Chinatown. Something's getting told over there. It's not like San Francisco, but it's still Chinatown. There you go. We gotta make a noodle here. Noodles. They got ducks hanging too. Let's get appetizing. That's good. Huh? I don't know. It's up to you. Looks good in there. So let's make a noodle. Earlier we were filming him making noodles. Looks good. Very tasty. No, because I didn't just like this like grilled chicken. Miss Pablo was eating her fried noodle, fresh fried noodle. How was it? What? Get it? Good? Here was mine earlier that I was eating.